all you beautiful people out there. I am Mrs. Realistic. Welcome once again back to the channel. After I did the Nightwish misheard lyrics from Wishmaster, I had a comment referring to the little photo that said Steven Seagal, but somebody else had mentioned that there was a band by the name of Steven Seagals. They are Finnish and they do bluegrass covers, and they just so happen to do Thunderstruck, which I think all of you folks out there who are around my age probably love as much as I do. I remember high school dances when this would come on and the entire gymnasium would be jumping around. So let's see what it sounds like by a Finnish bluegrass band. If any of you out there like what I do, please don't forget to like and subscribe, drop a comment down below, click the bell for notifications so that you will always know when another video comes out, because apparently about 90% of you watching my videos aren't subscribed, so it's easy. It's just a click of a button. And without further ado, let's get into it. Oh yeah, nice hat. Oh, awesome.
In the middle of a railroad track, moved around, and I knew there was no turning back. My mind raced, and I thought, what could I do? And I knew there was no help from you. Sound of the drums beating my heart. The thunder of guns tore me apart. You've been thunderstruck. Went down the highway, broke the limits, we hit the town. Went through the Texas, yeah, Texas, and we had some fun. We met some girls, some dancers who gave a good time. Broke all the rules, played all the fools. Yeah, yeah, they blew my mind. I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please? Yeah, the ladies were too kind. You've been thunderstruck. Thunderstruck, thunderstruck, thunderstruck.
Anything with banjo, I'm hooked.
I was shaking at the knees. Could I come again, please?
Who would have thought you'd love accordion in an AC/DC song? It's awesome.
You've been thunderstruck. 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 Hey, yeah, it's alright. We're doing fine. Yeah, it's alright. We're doing fine. Oh, thunderstruck. Thunderstruck.
This isn't even like ironic. This is frickin' awesome. He didn't even have a full drum set using an anvil, the spoons. Do these guys put on full concerts like this, or are they just on YouTube? I don't know, but I love it. I've never been to Finland, but I would expect to hear something like this from some good old boys in Texas, although I don't know anybody here who plays accordion. The combination of instruments put together for an epic AC/DC song is spectacular, and I am a sucker for the banjo. And I also love bluegrass, so to turn an AC/DC song into a bluegrass song almost sounds diabolical until you hear it and you realize, where has this been all my life? We've been missing bluegrass versions of so many songs. So what other songs do these guys do that are going to blow my mind? Please let me know in the comments. Thank you so much for joining me on this one. I adore this. I love these guys. I'd love to hear more from them. I hope everybody out there is having a wonderful day. And as I always say, we'll see you in the next one. Peace.